yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow, call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically, studied them and people only need to me. They don't want a victory, bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting right. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Turn that up.
I never love again, no. I'm sick of the games, I'm sick of the lies. Don't tell me you sorry, I had enough. That shit for the birds, I gave you my trust and you fucked it up. I don't wanna love again, no. I'm cutting you off, try to tell me I ain't good enough when you was the one I was giving up. I don't wanna love again. I'm sick of the games, I'm sick of the lies. Don't tell me you sorry, I had enough. You wasn't in love, that shit for the birds, I gave you my trust and you fucked it up. I don't wanna love again, no. I'm cutting you off, try to tell me I ain't good enough when you was the one I was giving up. I don't wanna love again, no. Now I'll never love again. Drunken love, time for me to get sober. No second chances, can't let you get over. No taking advantage, you making decisions like you wear the pants. I chuck up the deuces, now you wanna panic. You swear you took up but don't know how to land it. You misunderstood, now you can't understand it. You ain't understand me. Said I was too much to handle while you throwing shots at me. Don't run out of ammo, like on Rambo. You said you was there for me, and you let it burn like a candle. Like you so the sandals ain't getting caught up. Really don't give a fuck, 'cause these bitches be thirsty like camels, but I let it be. I let it fly, now you out of my reach, yeah. I let it fly, now you out of my reach, yeah. But I never love again, no. I'm never cuffing them, no. I put my trust in them hoes. Now I never trust again, no. I never trust again. Don't play no games with me. I'm not a controller, you won't take control of me. I had to settle, letting you do like whatever. That shit getting old to me. Caught up believing that dream that you sold to me. Lie after lie, time after time. That ain't how it's supposed to be. That ain't how it's supposed to be, no. I do not fuck with your vibe, I don't want you close to me. And you wanted me on the side, that shit ain't what's up with me. Said you was gon' fuck with me. Don't tell me you love me if you ain't gon' in them, no. I put my trust in them hoes. Now I never trust again, no. I never trust again. I'm sick of the games, I'm sick of the lies. Don't tell me you sorry, I had enough. You wasn't in love, that shit for the birds. I gave you my trust, you fucked it up. I don't wanna love again, no. I'm cutting you off, try to tell me I ain't good enough. When you was the one I was giving up. I don't wanna love again, no.
Hey yo, Pluto, you going crazy? Oh yeah, Berkey, this the one right here.
It's crazy how I think about you straight up out the blue. Bet you don't think about me, got me like a fool. You can hit my line up when you see me on the news. How to tell that you unhappy if you never left a clue. I'm a boss up. I'ma go and call this Robbie as a starter. Yeah, you can keep the things that I bought you. Yeah, I'ma count these benzos. I might let some friends go. They gon' hit you up. Now it's love with no attachments. I don't give a fuck. Put my heart inside a safe for me and God I trust. I'd be lying if I didn't miss the days I called you baby. I knew that you was crazy, but my heart was going crazy. I built you up. Now this London Bridge is coming down. I wish we got to say the words. Lost my girl and I lost my slime too, yeah. Now it's time I gotta fall without you. You told a lie when you said I loved you. 2 a.m. I used to let you slide through. Lost my girl and I lost my slime too. Now it's time I gotta fall without you. 100 times, maybe more, we try to fix us. Shed a tear when I'm looking at your pictures. I feel like I'm the only one that really missed us. They say that money heal the pain, let's see what time do. I see these bad bitches all the time. Nothing new, but this is why I fuck with you. I thought you different, can judge a girl just by her kissing. I guess it's humans, we be living by a superstition. Don't feel the same, now all these girls just entertain. If I really want a movie, hoes up on a plane. I just wanna show you life and all its finer things. But I just went and bought you all designer things. Fuck love, this shit feel like it's karma. Another man down for you like a Rihanna. I'ma lace my heart up in marijuana.